of all, I have to say, guys, that I started to film this video, but then I got so hungry, and when I'm hungry, I cannot concentrate at all. And I tried my best to get this video filmed, but I thought I need to get something to drink, so I had to make myself a smoothie. And it is so good, and I thought, okay, so I want to be able to have my smoothie and come back and finish this video, okay? Give me 1 second. So good. Unless I finish this smoothie, I cannot do this video. I'm sorry. 1 more minute. It's almost done. Let's go. Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Thank you for spending this little time with me today. Thank you so much. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to share with you guys a few tips and some tricks on how I take care of my wigs. This is a requested video. Shabo Creseo, I hope I'm saying your name right. She left me a comment saying that she's got this exact same unit and she wants to know how I take care of my hair. But before we get into the video, I'm just going to let you guys watch this clip and come back to me in a jiffy. Watch this. So let's start with this unit. This is the one I am actually wearing today. This unit is called Esme. This was a little bit longer, but I cut it because I don't like my units to be too long. And of course, this is a lace front unit. You do have 2 combs to the side, 1 to the bottom, and of course you do have the adjustable straps right there. And one of the things that I love about this unit is the fact that it is breathable, as you can see right here. You can actually see the hair. I can even stick my fingers through it. It's very, very, very breathable, and of course you can see the deep lace part right there. So the first thing I do is I just shake it a little bit, not too much. And because this unit has beautiful curls on here, I don't want to lose the curls. So I'm just going to take my fingers and I'm just going to I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair without manipulating the curls too much, just to get rid of any tangles, okay? So this is exactly what I'm going to do just for a couple of minutes. And then I run my hand through this. There is absolutely no shedding on this unit. And normally in the back of the unit, right here, this is where, this part, it lands on your shoulders, your shirt collars, your coats, your jackets, whatever, and it gets a little bit more tangled quickly. So again, I just run my hands through it, okay, just to get rid of any tangles. And if I come across any knots, I'm just going to take a scissors and cut that through, and just make sure my fingers can, you see, like this. I'm just going to go like that, okay, and just run my fingers through it. Now, this is a product I'm going to be using. I'm going to explain more in the video. And this is a detangler, and I only use this in the back side of the hair. This is very expensive. Again, we'll talk about this in just a minute. And so I spray a little bit of this just in the back here, kind of generously, where it tangles the most, and then I just run my hands through that. Run it through here. Okay, and again, if I come across any tangles like this, I just use my fingers, okay, and I just pull that through. Again, I'm just running my fingers through this right now. And as you can see, all of the detangling is complete. There is no tangling in this unit because my hands is actually going through the unit really, really nicely. And so this unit is completely washed. I wash my units with Cream of Nature shampoo conditioner. You guys already know that. And I like to use several things, but I'm going to talk about those things in just a minute. And I like to use this Wow spray. This is Style, it's called Style on Steroids. And I am a type of person, I am allergic to aerosol. This I can use no problem, because when you spray this on your hair, as you can see, okay, and I rub my hands through this, it's not greasy. There is no greasiness in this, no sticky feeling, no films, and it doesn't feel like I'm choking while I'm spraying this on my hair. My natural hair, or today we are talking about the unit, you know exactly what I mean. And just to keep it nice and slick, and so there will be no flyaways, okay? And I'm just gonna make sure everything looks really good and my hands are going through the unit no problem, and I'm not interfering with the curls. And I also like to use this Aussie scented spray, and with this, I always like to spray the inside, which is the cap, just a couple of spritz. And if you just want to go over your hair with just a little bit of this, that's fine too. And it really helps to keep your hair smelling nice and fresh, because like I said, this is a breathable cap that's in here. And this is how I take care of this unit. This unit is 3 years old and it still looks nice and fresh, like I've just pulled this out of a bag. And so I just like to hold the unit like this, okay? Pull it down, hold it from this side, okay? And if I see like there are any flyaways to the end, I'm just going to use the scissors and cut that off. So there is no need for me to do that, because there is just no flyaways for the moment. And I'm just going to fluff it up a little bit. And the unit is ready to go. And there we be. Very nice. No tangles on the inside, as you can see right there. I shake it out, okay? There is no tangles anywhere. My hands are going through this unit nicely. And we are ready to rock this girl. So here we are. This is Esme on my head right now. She feels so light, clean, fresh, and she smells wonderful. Smells amazing. This is a synthetic wig, and I've had this unit for 3 years. And I know you must be saying, wait up, hold up, what? 3 years. This unit is from Wigs.co.uk, and I've got her in my collection for 3 years. But again, just like anything you have in your collection, any beauty item, you have to know how to take care of it, okay? And I take very good care of this unit. Now, this is one of the products that I use on all of my units. This is called the African Essence. This is a weave and spray 6-in-1, and not to worry, everything is going to be down below for you guys. Silky finish for human hair and weaves. Radiant shine, detangles and soothes, non-greasy conditioning formula. So if I have to buy any spray for my units, it has to be non-greasy and it has to be conditioned, okay? So this is one of my units I do have right here, and this is already nice and clean. So what I'll do is I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to spray her, but the back of the unit is where you tangle the most. So I'm just going to concentrate on this particular part. I mean, this is already detangled, and I'm just going to use my fingers like you've seen in the video and just detangle this whole thing to make sure there aren't any nuts in there. And I'm just going to take my brush, okay, and I'm just going to brush her out, okay, and there we go. Really, really nice and easy. And it's a beautiful wig. Again, this is a lace front unit, and here we be nice and clean, and it smells really fresh, and this really helps to detangle amazingly. You are going to love this product. This is another one that I use to detangle. This company is based in Malibu. You can get this product online, and I have to warn you right now, this is very pricey. It's a very expensive item, so I use this sparingly, okay? I use this once a week on my natural hair when I do my conditioning and all of that. But whenever I wash my wigs, I only use this to the back side of the unit, where again, you have a lot more tangles. So just back here, just a couple of spritz, and I'm just gonna run my hands through that, and it's gonna be nicely detangled, and that's it. And then I'm just gonna take my brush again and just gently brush the hair out, because you're gonna be gentle with it. You don't want to have to be pulling and tugging on your units too much. This is another product I like to use on my units. This is from Dove. This is the Breakage Remedy. This is what the product looks like. Again, I know this is for natural hair, but I use this on my hair, on my wigs as well, just as a conditioning formula for my units. And I do have another one here. I just want to open this up to show you guys that there is one in the package, because I fell in love the first time I bought this. I was like, wow, this product is really good. And when I use this on my natural hair, I do not get one single breakage at all. So I just do a little bit of a spritz, just like so, on my units. And I just rub my hands through them, just to, again, keep it nice and neat. And it smells wonderful. And there we go. And something else that I use on my units, this is from Aussie. You guys have seen me talk about this before. This is a 48-hour scented sensational shine conditioning mist. And again, on the natural hair, but I also use this on my units. And I tend to concentrate more on the wig cap. And in the wig caps from these units from Wigs are breathable, as you can see. I can even stick my finger through here. And I just spray a little bit of this on the inside just to keep the cap nice and fresh and smelling nice and clean. And if you want to go in with just a couple of spritz on your units, go right ahead. And it really helps to make your unit smell so nice, and it lasts such a long time. These units are amazing, and I've had this one for a very long time as well, from Wigs.co.uk. And then I also like to use this hairspray from Wow. This came in the OK Beauty box, and I love this product. I cannot stand anything that's aerosol because I'm allergic to it. I get into a really awful cough and all of that. But this is one of those products that I really like. A little spritz of that. And what I love mostly about this product, there is no buildup. There is nothing on my hand, and you don't feel like you want to choke and all of that. I remember back in the days when I used to go to the hairdresser, and you know, after she was done, you know, with the relaxing and all of that, and she spray your head, it's like you know, you start to cough with the hairspray that they spray on your face. With this one, you can spray as much as you want, and you can keep this as close as you want to your nose. Doesn't affect at all. You can hardly smell anything, and there is no build up whatsoever. So if I want to have, let's say, like a little sheen to my units as well, this is also from Cream of Nature. This has argan oil, and this is anti-humidity gloss and shine mist. So I don't go in with too much of this. I just go in with just a little bit of this as well. Just a little spritz here, and that's it. It is done. So when you're out in the sun, you get this lovely, beautiful, gorgeous sheen. And it's not too oily at all. It's not, look at that, look at my hand. It's not oily at all, so you can have, you know, this heavy grease on your unit. It feels nice and light. And this unit smells wonderful. It's nice and fresh because it's nicely washed already. And I just take my brush and I just brush it through. And I'm just gonna let this air dry for just a couple of minutes, and then this goes back into the plastic bag and in the closet, or if you want to hang them in your closet, go right ahead. And there we are. So I am going to leave all of these in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on one of these things. These are really good for your units if you wear wigs like I do every single day. You know, it's really good to help to maintain your own hair as well. And these things are also good for your natural hair. But like I said again, I use these on my wigs and they work really well. They really help to keep them nice and soft and conditioned and moist and healthy looking. And again, this unit is 3 years old. And so I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm keep looking at my my viewfinder because I just want to make sure this is recording, because I know I did a whole video the other day and I didn't push my button, so forgive me for looking in my viewfinder. And so I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys to please try and pick up on some of these things. They are going to be a big help for you guys if you are wearing units like I am. The Dove Breakage Remedy is really good, and you need to try this product. It's also really good. So there we be. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. Leave me your comments and your thoughts below. If this is the first time coming across my videos, please subscribe before you go. Thumbs up this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!